For decades, Larson Electronics, based out of Texas in the U.S., has been a leading manufacturer of explosion-proof and industrial lighting equipment, including powerful UV disinfection products. These products are heavy-duty and complex pieces of equipment that take a lot of planning, time, and effort to make, which is all done in-house at our Texas facility. We manufacture standard explosion-proof equipment and industrial lighting products, as well as customized pieces for a variety of needs for multiple industries. This is why it is important that we manufacture our products in-house, which gives us complete oversight and quality control. Here at Larson Electronics, we manufacture each and every piece necessary for our UV products and assemble them from start to finish once the pieces are made. We create the scope of work, the designs, and make every UV product from scratch, in-house from start to finish, so you know that every product you get from us is completely made in the U.S. at our fully equipped facility. Here's a behind-the-scenes look at how we manufacture our UV products piece by piece from start to finish. Larson Electronics is the leader of American-made and manufactured UV lighting technology. At our Texas-based location, we build and manufacture UV lighting products that kill 99% of viruses, mold, bacteria, and other harmful microbes and pathogens. From concept to design, our UV lighting products are built from the ground up using state-of-the-art technology and over 5 million in fabrication equipment, including CNC laser cutting machines, brake presses, water jet tables, mills, band saws, tube benders, plate rollers, fasteners, and more. In our fabrication shops, our team of welders, lighting designers, and master electricians assist in building our UV products through their various stages of development. Our UV products are tested and inspected by our quality control team before shipping to the customer. Our UV lighting products ship worldwide to a variety of industries, including medical, industrial, commercial, retail, entertainment, schools, offices, and much more. Larson Electronics, the leader of American-made and manufactured UV lighting technology. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.